Hello all, welcome to Vice Beacon. It's a beautiful summer evening. You are trying to enjoy a barbecue, but you are getting absolutely eaten alive. Well, the US government has heard you, and the solution was to release millions more mosquitoes right into the wild. Why on earth are the scientists breeding swarms of least favorite insect and letting them loose in the places like Florida and California? Is it a mad scientist experiment gone wrong? Let's get into the video to find about the same. First, we need to meet the target. Out of thousands of mosquito species, scientists are tracking down one specific bad egg, Aedes aegypti. This isn't just an annoying pest. It's an invasive species that carries dangerous diseases like dengue fever, Zika and yellow fever. And thanks to the climate change, they are spreading fast. Traditional bug sprays and pesticides just aren't cutting it anymore. These superbugs are actually evolving to become immune to our chemicals. So, scientists decided to fight biology with biology. A company called Oxitec created a special breed of mosquitoes in a lab. But here is the twist. They only release the males. But why? Because male mosquitoes do not bite. Only female mosquitoes bite you when they need the protein in your blood to develop their eggs. Male mosquitoes are actually gentle vegetarians who just drink flower nectar. So, scientists release millions of these non-biting, nectar-sipping lab males into the neighborhoods. These lab males have a specific self-limiting gene passed down to them. When they mate with the wild, disease-carrying females, that gene gets passed to the offspring. That gene makes it so that any female babies die before they can grow up and bite anyone. However, the male babies survive carrying the gene and go on to mate with more wild females. Over time, because no females are being born, the population crashes. It's essentially a high targeted genetic form of mosquito birth control. Now, depending on where you live, you might have heard of second method being used. Companies like Verily are using a completely different trick involving a natural bacteria called the Wolbachia. Wolbachia is a bacteria found in many insects, but not usually in our villain Aedes aegypti. When scientists infect male mosquitoes with Wolbachia and release them, option A, if they mate with a wild female that doesn't have the bacteria, the eggs won't hatch at all. Option B, even if some survive, the bacteria acts like a shield inside the mosquito, making it incredibly hard for dangerous viruses like dengue to grow. If the viruses can't grow inside the bug can't pass it to you. So, is it safe? Yes, it is. Will I get bitten more? No, they just release males. Males can't bite. Is it toxic? No chemicals are used. It's completely non-toxic to pets, bees and humans. Will it ruin the ecosystem? These specific mosquitoes are invasive anyway, and birds, bats have plenty of other native bugs to eat. In fact, in areas where this bugs has been tested, the large mosquito population plummeted by over 90%. Instead of blanketing whole towns in chemical pesticides that kills butterflies and bees, we are now using the mosquitoes to fight themselves. It's cleaner, safer and incredibly effective. Mosquitoes are routinely called the world's deadliest insect. Hundreds of thousands of people globally each year. By targeting specific vectors, public health and tech initiatives hope to interrupt the disease transmission cycle before the large-scale community outbreaks begin. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give a like, comments and list 6 and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you.